What's up guys, it's your boy Himan. In this video we're gonna look into the Bitcoin and I'm gonna give you my short-term price range for Bitcoin. Short-term by I mean what will happen in this year. Alright, so without further ado, let's get to the charts and find out where we are headed. Alright guys, so Bitcoin is looking good. We are seeing some green over here, and of course the really good thing I really like to see is the volume is the lifeblood of any stock or cryptocurrency. You got more volume means more people are trading it, and we're seeing really good volume. Of course, like I told you in my previous videos, when you see long bars like this means that institutions or whales are buying in. Retailers can't push up price like this up. Like long bars usually indicate that we have big money is flowing in, so it is actually overall a good news. But where we'll end up in this year, where's the short-term outlook? Well, again, in my previous videos I've been so far right with this. All right, and this looks like a classic Wyckoff accumulation. All right, and we are over here at this line. Now what I think will happen in the short term, this is of course not long term. All right, if you want to put in a trade or something, and the other thing is this is not financial advice. All right, so far I've been right about this. All right, you see this neckline over here, right? This is a head and shoulders pattern. You have the head, shoulders, and usually when there's a head and shoulders pattern, that's a bearish pattern, you have the stock or the crypto come down. But what happens is the security, the crypto, the stock usually end up going up to this neckline. So this is called the neckline. Neckline is where we connect the shoulders. So most of the time I think we'll see the price coming up and meeting us at this neckline. And what happens is once that reaches this neckline, it comes down. All right, I'm still positive on my 20k target for this year, but before we hit 20k, there's a highly likely scenario. All right, there's a highly likely scenario. The reason why I'm saying highly likely is because it's historically proven when there's a head and shoulders pattern, the security will always come and touch, most of the times will come and touch the neckline and then go down. All right, this actually happened in Tesla, but that's my short-term outlook. So what will happen is I've drawn actually over here. I've drawn this previously, but looks like it's following its course. So we'll hit this neckline, which is at 50k range, and then we'll come down. That's what I think will happen. So what's going on right now is most of the time retailers think that we control what markets is doing. We don't. It's most of the time people with large sums of money, they're the ones who are controlling the market. And to me this looks like a classic punting happening. Punting is basically you have rich people coming in when the price is low, they put a lot of money, volume goes up, and then more people jump in, and of course that pushes the price up. And what they do is they have exit points. These are short-term traders like big institutional money. They exit at a set time, and what that will do is that will crash the price again. All right, so and this right over here looks like a Wyckoff distribution, and this like over here is a Wyckoff accumulation. So I've been so far correct in my videos. Again, the short-term outlook for Bitcoin will hit $50,000 and then will come down to $20,000. All right, so if you want to place a trade, again this is no financial advice, you should start over here. You have a good 20-something% to go up, right? But of course have a stop loss whenever you do something with your money. If it's short term, always have a stop loss. That stop loss should be somewhere around 10%, 15% or 20%, something that you are ready to lose. If you put in $10,000 in, 10% would be $1,000. If it's something that you're okay to lose, that's your stop loss. If it's something that you're not okay to lose, you have to reduce the stop loss like 5% will be $500, right? And you exit over here. So that's if you want to trade this. I won't be trading Bitcoin. I do hold Bitcoin at the moment. I want to buy into Bitcoin when it's at $20,000, right? So I'm gonna patiently wait and see where this will head out. I've been so far correct, all right? And I'm not in any kind of hurry to sell my Bitcoin. So I'm just gonna wait and see how this plans out. But if you want to put on a trade, again, have this neckline as an exit and have a stop loss, all right? And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you'll actually please do research on this head and shoulders neck pattern and check how it has panned out historically. All right, I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, peace.